Hey everybody, it's David with another 2-minute sneaker review. Today our unboxing for today is the women's UNC to Chai Jordan 1 High. This is actually a size 15.5, which is a men's 15, so they're a little bigger than normal. I'm knocking stuff off the table here. Here's the shoe for you. Here we go. Getting into the shoe, I want to point out one thing. This leather is really soft and buttery. If you like that feel, I think you're really going to like this shoe. Even the black, which is typically a smoother leather, has a little texture in it. Now it's smoother than this toe box, smoother than these wings back here, but it's good leather, nice and soft if you like that. A red leather hang tag with Nike Air on both sides. That's stamped, hanging there on the chain. Your Nike Air labels are satin. You have a smooth liner. The insole is red with a black Nike Air on it. Showing you the outsole, typical Jordan 1. Let's look at this blue here. As you can see, this is the UNC Obsidian from last year. It's a more of a traditional Carolina blue. This almost has a little more green in it. So, one thing there, and I'm going to show you the red as well. All right, here's 3 shoes. This is the red one from 2016. This is the red cement that came out just a couple weeks ago, or actually just a week ago. And then the UNC to Chai in the middle. I think the red's a little closer to this red cement than the bread. Overall, I think it's a good shoe. Interested to hear what you guys think. It's reselling now for about 30 bucks more than list, so it hasn't been a big flip on these shoes. Only 1 pair of shoelaces, only the black pair, which is kind of strange. But y'all let me know your thoughts. We'll be back soon with more 2-minute sneaker reviews and unboxings.